Now we got to tell you about an important tax deadline. More than 188,000 Hoosiers asked for an extension to file your 2020 returns. And if you're one of those people, the last day tomorrow.
Yeah, I've done that in the past.
Yeah.
Not this year, but I've done that in the past. It's also the date, October 15th, that you have to hit to avoid any late filing penalties. Our Karen Campbell got tips from a tax expert.
The IRS is reminding millions of Americans who filed 2020 tax extensions your deadline is looming. Experts say to beat that October 15th date, file electronically.
You don't want to just drop it in the mail first class and hope it gets to the IRS, because if for some reason with all their, all the issues they've been having with processing, if it gets lost, it's just going to be a mess to get cleaned up.
Michael Jamison is a certified public accountant with On Target CPA in Indy. He says missing that October 15th deadline could have an impact on your finances.
All filing late's going to do is delay you getting that refund. But in the case of owing money, there's going to be a penalty for failure to file based on the amount that you owe.
And what if you didn't receive an economic stimulus check?
My best advice would be get that 2020 return filed, so then you have the best chance of getting that $1,400 per person payment sooner rather than later.
But if you didn't receive it and your income is below the thresholds for 2021 when you file your taxes, you can claim that as a recovery rebate credit. The same goes for advanced child tax credit payments also.
If you do not get the entire amount you were supposed to get, you'll be able to claim the remainder when you file your tax return for 2021. So it's not like the money's lost, it's just going to be delayed a little while.
And then there's the impact of the pandemic that left many Hoosiers unemployed.
But it's very important you report that unemployment on your tax return. For federal purposes, there's a certain amount that's exempt from taxation. But like I said, it does need to be reported. It'll prevent you from getting notices down the road and having balances due.
And we've got everything you need to know about getting your taxes in by tomorrow's extended tax deadline. You can find that story at WTHR.com.